everybody, it's vintage stylist Dianna Prince here with the lovely
Sandy Rocket.
And she's modeling today in this really cool, and it's so many things going on with this dress. It's like a little baby doll dress from Atomic Jane. I love the red, I love the stripes, I love the white polka dots. I love the fact that it has 2 layers, and Sandy looks beautiful on this, and she's got the total hair and her makeup. I love her cat eyes. They match with the flip of her hair. So I would not accessorize with this too much. I did put a striped hair bow on the top to match with her shoes. Her shoes are so cute, and we both own these shoes. So I love these, and she's doing her wardrobe test today for Atomic Jane Clothing, atomicjaneclothing.com. So look for some more videos and images posted later.